Hello, everyone. Good morning to one and all, and welcome to the wonderful world of English language. Today, we are going to discuss here about formation of United Nations. So, without getting ado, let's discuss about its formation. The history is witness to the fact that the world has gone through a difficult time the past 100 years due to two world wars. To prevent an event like this from repeating, some leaders of the world came together and formed organization called the United Nations. The United Nations was formed on 24th October 1945 when 51 members countries came together and signed a charter. The charter is known as the UN Charter, and it contains a set of rules that countries agreed to follow in order to maintain world peace. Any country that agrees with the mission of the United Nations can be a member of it. Currently, 193 out of 200 countries are member of the UN. UN means United Nations. The United Nations prevent international disagreements from escalating and also prevent governments of countries from misusing their power. In simple terms, UN serves as an international checkpoint. Forget flow allow members countries. The headquarters of the United Nations are located in the New York City, and regional offices are located in Geneva, Vienna, and Nairobi. Official languages of the United Nations are Arabic, Chinese, English, Portuguese, Russian, and French. So you can understand that it is elaborated and it is defined in many languages. It has a very great importance in today's circumstances. There are some objectives of UN. First one is to work towards international peace and security. Second one to promote friendly relations among nations. Third one to promote cooperations among nations. Fourth one to protect human rights and freedom. Fifth one to serve as a center where countries can't coordinate their activities and other things. So, by these points, you have understood that United Nations has great importance in today's circumstances. I hope you have definitely understood about UN. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.